Hi guys, this is a telltale sign of a bad wheel bearing. Let me show you. If you see all that play, now when I grab the wheel from up and down, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, the wheel moves back and forth like this. It's pretty much what I'm doing here. And also sideways like this. That's a lot of play. Now when I do that, take a look at inside here, the CV axle. You see it move? That means the wheel bearing's bad. Also, when you're driving and you hear a humming noise, that's also a good indication that the wheel bearing's bad. Now, only the CV axle is moving, nothing else is moving. That's a key indicator. There's no suspension pieces moving, the power steering rack isn't moving back and forth when I wiggle it. It's just the CV axle. And I know the CV axle is good because that's fairly new and I put it in a little while ago. And now this wheel bearing went. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, it's free to subscribe, and come check out my car club at NewYork3rdGen.com and like my videos. Thanks, bye.